Stop! 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 Stop!
On November 8, 2023, officers responded to a hit-and-run incident. The victim informed the police that the suspect's vehicle was a silver Toyota Camry, and the driver fled the scene after the collision. Here's how the events unfolded.
Hey, how you doing? I am doing all right.
A little better.
Yeah. So what?
Hard turn. She waited so late. I mean, it was just, you know, I couldn't figure out what was happening.
Okay.
It's drivable. I can get it out of the way.
Yes.
But,
Let's get out of the way. That belongs to you, or?
Yeah. Well, yeah. I'll take it.
Okay.
I'll stick it in the trunk.
Just put it in the trunk.
Yeah.
Let me just take a photo real quick.
Sure.
Meanwhile, another officer interrogated the woman who had struck the victim's car.
How you doing?
I was wondering where
what's up?
you pick up the trash.
Where I take out the trash?
Not you. Oh yeah, you. I guess.
What do you mean?
I mean, just the trash in your city. Like I don't know.
The trash.
Wait,
Okay.
sorry.
You want to talk to me a little bit today about what's going on? Can you step out of the car for me?
Hell no. I probably physically can't.
Why?
To be honest with
Are
you.
you injured? Do you need help?
I feel like
Okay.
I probably busted and go. I'm like this with Jelly. I did just
Okay.
go through detox for
Okay.
5 severe days to try to pick fentanyl, and successfully I'm in day 7.
Okay.
Of
Where
withdrawal.
are you from?
I'm from around
Remington?
here,
Okay.
and I'm withdrawing bad and trying not to like.
What's your name? What's your name, dear? Where? This?
Yeah. See how it's just gonna drag it in. It's just got a small section that's attached.
Do you mind if I just take it off?
No, I don't mind at all because that's the least of my problems right now. Besides, the guy should use his knife once a shift, right?
Take me to
Sir,
waste
nobody's gonna hurt you. I'm just asking you to step out of the car so
I
we
don't
can.
think I can physically step out of the car.
Why?
I think that I slammed the dashboard really hard with my left leg and my ankle. I don't know what the situation is, but I don't.
Is your foot stuck there? We
Don't
gotta
talk to
we gotta talk to you about whatever just happened. I see your car's got some damage. Are you saying your foot is stuck and you can't step out of the vehicle?
I'm obviously withdrawing, and I don't know what I'm saying.
Trashed? When you say
Trash. White trash.
Oh, I never said that. That's your statement, not mine.
You asked me.
No, you said something's wrong with you. I thought you mean like physically.
What it is that I'm
What's
white trash in the city.
Okay, what's wrong with you then? Other than physically, is there something wrong with you? Have you ingested drugs or alcohol today?
I am actually detoxing.
Oh, okay.
My body. I'm in like day 7 or 9.
Okay. Are you under any medications?
Some weed gummies, and I did hit the weed flower.
Number 455. Can you add a plate?
And my car's drugs.
Oh, that's fine. I don't judge about that. You understand why we're contacting you, right?
Adam X-ray 143.
And what happened there?
I mean, you're gonna have to replace the
It's got all
bumper anyway.
Yeah. It's all garbage now.
Okay.
Look for it. Check it out. Gotta see how sharp it is.
Oh, trust me, it's sharp. Nice.
The woman was still unwilling to provide any substantial details to the officers.
You're asking me questions.
Okay, I'm not worried about your opinion of what you feel towards yourself. We're trying to. Okay, well, I'm not. Like I said again, I don't judge. I'm trying to figure out what happened a few minutes before we arrived here.
I really can't say.
Okay, so you don't want to give any because
I feel
what's
like
going to
you guys
happen
both
is
seen me
whatever
before.
the other
I feel
person
like you
tells
guys
us is
know
what
what's
we're going to go
going
on
on.
if you don't want to talk to us about what's going on here.
What did you say? You're going to pull me out of the car?
I never said that. I said whatever happens, this is your opportunity to tell us what occurred. If not, all we're going to do is go on what the other person said happened.
Got
Are you under the influence of something right now, other than marijuana?
No.
When did you last have one of those marijuana gummies? You said you took some gummies and something else.
2 hours ago.
A few hours?
I said I'm detoxifying my body from fentanyl, and
Okay.
I'm on day like 10.
You're right. I understood that, but you also said you took some THC products, so I'm just trying
To try to ease the nausea because
Okay,
I
you didn't say
don't have
that. I'm
access
just-
to
I'm just
nausea.
trying to turn
like
how
I
much?
went to the detox place and they're like 222 across the board. She's like, I'm going to put you to sleep. You know, the night nurse and shit. She's great. She's really amazing, actually.
Okay.
But
Well, look, again, it appears that you were in a collision. We're trying to figure out what happened. And the reason he's asking me that is because you did mention fentanyl earlier. We want to make sure you're okay.
because I'm not okay at all. I'm absolutely not.
Okay.
Honestly. I should
know,
still
but
be
you-
monitored.
Huh?
I'm basically.
Is there a reason you didn't stop for that car or whatever happened?
I can't. I don't remember. Honestly.
What's up with the Freddy Jason mask or whatever that is?
I saw you in your guys' office spray paint in a red van, right, with white spray paint or whatever, and I'm just like, I feel like I'm a prime example of do something about it. Like, if you guys are the city police, you know, to keep our city safe, like, take the trash out, whatever, do whatever, to hook up a hose.
Are you speaking about yourself right now?
Yeah, I'm pretty fucking close right now.
Why? What are you asking for, though, Sarah? Because I want to be able to meet your request if possible.
If possible, I am after a video of my last encounter with the State Patrol,
Okay.
my copy of the video, and your copy of this video.
Okay. So there's something called a public disclosure request, and you can have that at any time after this event.
Okay.
So you'll be able to have that. Do you have any weapons in the car? Weapons on you? Anything like that?
Of course not.
Firearms, knives, nothing like that. You say of course not. I'm not. We're never sure. So.
I got a lot of cool though.
Okay.
I don't even know if all my organs are kicking back in. You know what I mean? Like, I basically just.
She said it's suspended, but I didn't check.
I'm an
You suspended?
SR22 and $100 away from a restricted license.
We're gonna tell you the truth, and then we're gonna do whatever we're gonna do.
She completely denied any involvement in an accident that day.
Severe left. No, I want you guys to understand something. Before this incident, yesterday, every panel of this car I severely damaged at the same time. Like, all 4 panels, severe under damage, like the whole bottom of the fucking car yesterday. So that's not from what just happened in this wreck right here or whatever.
This is not from today?
Okay, this whole left side of the car.
I'm talking about left side, I'm talking about the front of the car.
Your front,
Yeah,
your
that's-
bumpers
I mean-
like messed up.
That's gotta be front.
I'm not saying it's not. But this one severe, like, damage on that side.
Well, what I will say is that you've got severe damage. The vehicle described as returns to you. Your pupils are pretty tiny, and you mentioned fentanyl and possibly some THC stuff earlier. So.
I meant detoxification
Right.
that I am currently
Right.
deep into as far as I ever have been. Like at day 9,
Yeah,
which I don't know
I hear
how
you.
many people, what happens at that point. Like, I don't know if all my organs are even kicking back on. For real.
Okay. Well, I did offer medical. You said no. You don't want them coming. But do you?
Never did awful medical.
I did. Would you like them to come?
I'll talk to her. You guys do.
Okay. So, at this point, ma'am, with what we have, are you listening to me? What's her name?
Sarah.
Hey, Sarah. Well, I'm gonna first ask you to step out of the car. If you refuse, we're gonna have to drag you out of the car.
Soon, the suspect's mother arrived at the scene.
Her daughter was involved in a collision. She left the scene of the collision. So she said, shouldn't have been driving to begin with. Because she's suspended.
I know.
So regardless, she's gonna be in custody here in just a moment.
Okay.
I also suspect she's under the influence. She says she's detoxing,
She was.
but I think she's not detoxing. I think she's under the influence based on her kind of erratic statements and so forth.
So last Friday night, she entered the detox down in Oregon.
Right, and that's what she said.
Fentanyl.
Like 5 or
They were coming off fentanyl.
6 or 7
yeah.
days that she's been trying
Came
to
home
detox.
yesterday morning. They were trying to move her to a crisis, the next stage of the unit. There were no
Yes, ma'am.
beds. She told me that she had been in an accident on
Okay.
Loxie
And then she wanted,
Egan's.
did she say anything else about what occurred? Just that she'd been in an accident?
She'd been in an accident,
Okay.
and she was over by the school, so that's where we were trying to
Oh,
look.
gotcha. Yeah, it happened
I
over
got
my
her daughters in the car, and we
Oh,
were home.
Yeah,
So
okay. So that's kind of where we're at.
Is there any way you would just? Would you be able to convince her? She appears
Yeah.
that she doesn't want to come out right now.
Yeah.
She's
And we don't
got
want to
scissors
use
in front of
force.
her.
She-
We don't want to have to use force if we don't.
I
have
gotcha.
to. Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to talk
We'll
to
allow
her?
you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
come over and just talk to you for a second.
All right. We can avoid it. I just want to make sure.
Well,
Yeah.
here's the
I saw
here's
she
the
was
bottom
detained.
line of everything. The girls are in the car, and so I don't want them to see, and you don't want them to see these guys pull you out. You're gonna be okay, but you got to do this.
The woman was soon placed under arrest, as the officer suspected she was driving under the influence.
Hey, Sarah, we're gonna help you get out of the vehicle, okay? Just relax, all
I
right?
honestly don't want you
Sarah,
guys.
Here, I'm gonna remove your phone, okay?
Come on, Sarah.
Like, this is.
Sarah.
Ow, I really don't.
Yeah.
Look.
Keep stepping. You're fine.
We're gonna help you out.
Keep
Come on.
stepping.
Okay.
You gotta have to work with us, okay?
You gotta
I'm
use
not-
your feet. You gotta use your feet. You gotta use your feet.
Sarah, come on.
Stop!
Here, I'm gonna pull back.
Stop! Stop!
There you go.
Stop! Stop!
You're good. You got it. You got it.
Sarah, don't look, because you're gonna scratch your face, okay?
That was unnecessary. We didn't have to do that.
Okay, sir, we're gonna help you get up, okay? Just work with us. All right, come on. 1, 2, 3. Come on, sir. You got this. All right, let's go to my car.
Please don't trap me in here with my own smell. Just a little bit of
Okay,
fresh air.
Sarah, I'm going to read you a poem.
Just asking.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right-
I wasn't here when my partner initially talked to you about this whole incident, okay? So I'm just gonna ask you some questions to clarify what
I'm just
exactly
gonna also
happened.
want to be clarified after this incident too. Also, I'm gonna want to report on this because I'm out of my mind right now.
Okay. We'll document everything that you tell us. We will.
And
You will have access to that report.
I'm not trying to be a criminal right now. I'm just
Okay.
trying to fight for my life, honestly. And
Why do you say that?
why specifically do I say that?
Yeah.
Because I got it.
Fight for your life?
Yeah, like I don't know if all my organs kick back on, detoxing, fentanyl pills. You know what I mean?
Okay.
It's a bad
Would you
thing.
like
I
medical?
said, would you really want to throw away like a good 30 of your bitches by not washing? You gotta wash your bitches and
Sarah,
you know what I mean?
would you like medical aid to come check you out?
I honestly don't know. I've been at the detox place. They've been monitoring
Okay.
me in between my passes.
They can come
I
check
feel
your.
like I'm almost dead.
You can do that later, but.
Well, then there's nothing else you're gonna give me. I don't think because.
Okay.
even
So
though-
then let me ask you about the incident, okay?
That's
Apparently.
not. You don't even.
You tried.
Don't be.
I appreciate you.
I'm looking for just a small, it'll be a little small white, black glitter purse, and you can open it because inside will be like her storage cards, all of her cards. And so
This vehicle's registered to her, though. Just.
it's registered to her friend.
I see. Hey, Sarah, real quick question.
You
Where's
guys
that-
keep asking me questions, but I
Yeah,
answer you guys, and you guys just act like I'm not even a person or talking or anything I'm saying is even real
We have
words.
actually treated you very humanely
You guys are
throughout
acting like
this
nothing I'm
contact.
saying is real words, and I get it. But like, why?
You know, maybe because of the state of your mind, you are saying some things that don't make sense.
No, they make exact sense. What I'm saying.
Okay. Well, what I will ask you is, your mom.
I'm glad I'm the
your
fucking
mom's
face of this
asking
right now, to
for-
be honest with you.
Your mom is asking if you have a little black purse.
Yes.
Where is it? Where's that purse at? Little black bag.
Driver's floorboard.
Driver side floorboard.
She was taken to the jail for further processing.
You know, where your storage and stuff, so I make sure all that goes on. Okay.
Leave all that stuff.
I will.
Everything.
So I'm gonna go.
My wallet, the keys to my car.
Yeah. Oh, the keys to the car.
Give everything
Yeah,
there.
I've got it. Okay.
Hey, would you also like your cell phone and everything go with her?
Yeah.
Where's your cell
Yep.
phone?
I have it here, but
Yeah.
would you like that? Okay. Do you have any other questions for now?
No. She probably is not going to get out today. Who knows what?
Probably not.
Okay.
So the process from here is we're gonna have to ask her if she's willing to do blood draw. So if that's the case, then now we have to apply search warrant and then take her to the hospital, and it's just the
gonna
process
take a while.
take a while, and then she's gonna end up in the jail and probably not gonna
Not
be
yet.
released today. And I don't know if she's got a prior history of DUI. It really depends if there's a prior or not. And if there's more than two, I think more than 2 or 3, it's a felony. Alright, let's just get you out of the vehicle. Are you gonna be able to do it? There you go. Alright, give me 1 second, let me just close the door. Alright, let's go. Be careful with the stairs.
She became very aggressive while the officer was explaining the process to her, and later even fell off her chair.
Hey, so I heard you refused for the evaluation. So let me explain what's going to happen from here on, okay? I'm going to ask you if you would voluntarily submit blood draw. Okay? If not, if you refuse, that's fine. All I have to do is just get a search warrant.
No, I mean, gladly, you can have my blood for reasons. I'm sure it'd be smart.
Okay. I mean, are you voluntarily submitting it,
I mean,
or
I'm just trying to get through this process the quickest, honestly.
That's
and
fine.
to get through, like, I'm just
the more you the more you be cooperative with us. So
that is true.
you're saying yes to voluntary blood draw?
Sure, let's draw some blood. But
All right.
I mean, can I get a fucking shower though after I give you guys my blood? Like that's fair.
Okay.
You guys don't practice the rights on your paper. You guys send it off to the next, where you don't have to actually show up to court or whatever. Just push it along. You know what I mean? We'll push it. You know what I mean?
All
I understand that I.
You understand? Oh, you should understand. You should be sober at your job right now. You should
Okay,
understand
so
what's
you're
going on.
refusing,
I
right?
don't understand what the is going on right now. Like, I know I smell like and I'm in a room, but I can't even breathe in with another officer. Like, what are we doing?
All right, you're gonna wait here for another hour.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure, I understand. I do already understand that I'm going to be in this room where it's not even health code violation.
Okay.
It's not illegal to do in your own home. Did you know that?
Sir, are you?
Is it true? Just tell me if I'm wrong. Is it legal to change your toilet in your own home without a